Rajasthani people, we always think that North Indians have non-spicy dishes, but Rajasthanis are the exception to it. They have very very spicy dish. All those dishes which they make is going to be double spicy. A tough competition for Andhra people actually. So now, can you see the chilies are not visible at all when I've coded it second time. So this is the correct level of voting we need for any pakora. I usually do it twice because that will actually mellow down the spice or the that will give a good crunchy taste inside out for any pakora, vegetable pakora or paneer pakora, and also the same goes for this chili pakora also. So the last one is done. And I usually leave the stalk on top of the chili because that is very easy for us to just have it, just hold it, and then eat it. That is it. So the last pakora is also in the oil for frying. When just rotate all the sides so that it is evenly cooked every side, and that is it, guys. See, you do not need any accomplishment for having this pakoda, but still you can have any pudina chutney or just a Maggi ketchup is enough for to accompany this. And if you're having a hot tea or a cup of coffee, this will go very well. Usually coffee, any worst coffee, I feel like it will go very well with spicy dish. Try it at home, give it to your friends and families, and surely they will like it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share and comment, and please share with your friends so that it is good support for me. Thank you.